about the first task of speaking, that is read aloud. Some students here, they read very fast, some will read very slowly, and some will not at all focus on the clarity, that is pronunciation. See, here you all must be knowing that you are assessed for content, fluency, and pronunciation. Content means the words. Were you able to read all the words properly or not? Or did you skip, change, or add some words? While reading, if you fumble, this will affect your fluency. Because fluency doesn't mean speed. Fluency means, are you able to read this text effortlessly, in a flow, without hesitating, without using fillers or without taking pauses? Next is pronunciation. Pronunciation means the right sounds, right syllable stress. If your sounds and syllable stress is right, you always will have correct pronunciation, which also means clarity in your diction. Next mistake is in writing. In writing, I've seen most of the students do not focus on content, which has become very important now. Content means the topic of your essay. Most of the students still copy the template. They just add topic sentence in the first paragraph, and then they do not bother about the topic. They copy the entire template, which affects your content. Because content means what did you add or what did you write from your own knowledge about the topic. And you know that if your content is zero, it means if you will not write anything about the content, your rest of the answer will not be checked, which means you will get zero for your entire answer. And yes, pay attention to word limit also. So if your answer is less than 120 or more than 380, in both the cases, you will get zero for your essay. Next mistake is in summarize spoken text, where most of the students lose points because of spelling mistakes. So here you have to make sure that you will only pick those words which you are able to spell correctly. If you're not sure about the spellings, please do not write those words, and always make it a point that you have written extra words so that you can choose from those words. And also pay attention to the proper nouns. They are to be capitalized. Same goes for written lecture, where we have to pronounce the words. So here you have to make sure that you will only select those words which you can pronounce correctly. Next is write from dictation, which is the most important task of listening and contributes highly in writing as well. Here every word gives us 1 point. So here first of all you have to pay attention to the sentence. Make sure that you spell every word correctly. If you're not sure about the spellings of a particular word like advice or advice, write both the spellings. Here you can add extra words like prepositions, articles, helping verbs, singulars, plurals, everything.